So here's how to Shopify dropship on eBay. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your Shopify account, now here you have to simply go to your account dashboard. For this, first you have to create a Shopify store and add the products you want to dropship. Ensure that your store is set up with the necessary payment and shipping options. After that, you have to be familiarize yourself with the eBay's dropshipping policies as they have specific guidelines that you must follow. Now you have to link your eBay account, connect your Shopify store to your eBay account. You can use third-party apps like InkFrog or DSM tool to facilitate the integration between your Shopify store and eBay. Then you have to list products on eBay. Use the integrated app to import your Shopify products into eBay and create listing. Make sure to optimize your eBay product listing with relevant titles, description, images, and pricing. Manage inventory and orders. As orders are placed on eBay, Shopify will automatically adjust the inventory levels in your store. You will need to fulfill the orders by processing them through your Shopify store's backend. Keep a close eye on your inventory levels and product availability. Regularly update your eBay listing and Shopify store to maintain accurate stock information. Make sure to provide excellent customer services, including timely responses to inquiries and handling returns or issues promptly. Coordinate with your suppliers or fulfillment partners to ensure timely shipping and provide tracking information to your eBay customers. Now you have also monitored your performance. Keep track of your dropshipping performance on eBay and adjust your strategies as needed to optimize sales and customer satisfaction. Remember that successful dropshipping requires efficient management of inventory, reliable suppliers, and attention to customer service. So that's how to Shopify dropship on eBay.